No. Okay, so I'm basically now at this point just waiting for AMC to hit 59.20. It'll sell again. I did a small position size because it's right now, directions is very unclear in a sense. Great, okay, my order sold AMC, so that means I'm basically done with that. And yeah, I was doing very small position sizes, so I was buying it in increments of 20. I usually buy it in increments of hundreds. But I started buying them in like increments of 20 until I got to the point 20 to 60 increments usually, until I usually got to the point of 1 to 200 shares. Because if you think about it, for example, if I buy at 59.10, 20 shares, or let's just say 59.10, 50 shares, and then 58.90, 50 shares. That means my average price is $59. Now, let's say it goes up to 59.20. I have 100 shares in that, which basically means $20. Now, obviously, $20, you're like, oh, that's $20. Like, what's the point of that, right? You have to look at it from a return perspective, right? Basically, for that amount, I'm literally investing around $5,900, and I'm getting a 20% return usually within around a minute to 30 seconds. So from that point on, you just continually repeat that process like a rinsing towel. And that was a terrible example, but I hope you guys got the message. But that's basically it, right? So you think like, oh, $20, that's not a lot. No, but if you do that 10, 20 times throughout the day, like I've just been doing in the past like 45 minutes, it does add up. And yeah, so basically I just have to finish a couple of things now at that point. Like this is usually how it goes, not gonna lie. I'm usually staring at a screen, got music on, or something, I just need noise in a sense. I have charts here, and then from that point on, I do the trades from my phone. And then I usually log off once I place my limit sell, stop loss, all of that real fast. Answer some people back on Snap, talk to my friends, do whatever I have to do. I'm very relaxed about it. I've gotten to that point where it's very comfortable for me to do it like this. And yeah, it really doesn't matter. I just need my computer and my phone. I don't need the fancy setup stuff. Now when I have it, obviously it makes it easier, makes it nicer. But besides that, this is perfect for traveling. But yeah, so I'm going to make a quick video because a buddy of mine, he was complaining that he has a 10K account and he's only making $20 to $50 per day. And I was telling him, I'm like, dude, stop stressing. I'll show you, because scalping at that point is the most beneficial thing. So yesterday, I did as a challenge. I took a maximum of $5,000 from my account. And from that point on, I basically just wanted to make as much from that $5,000. So I never went above that maximum thing, or $5,000 maximum limit. So let's say I'll just show you guys here. So yesterday, it was T.Y.E. I was playing that like a fiddle. And yeah, so basically from June 22nd, I ended up doing market buy. Okay. Yeah, so I basically ended up day trading this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and I ended up making around $300 profit on around a $4,000 account size. So you guys can see I never went above, here's the screenshots, I never went above the $4,000 limit. So I'm going to screen record this, send it out to the guys, and basically just be like, yo, this is how it's done in a sense. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to airdrop those to my computer. And today's going to be also a short trading day to me, because I'm probably going to wrap this up in about an hour here, so due to the fact I'm going to the Germany against Hungary soccer game today, and I want to get there on time. So, fuck me, mate. Bloody hell, I'm not this stupid. Okay, there we go. Okay, bet. Okay. Oh, fuck you, son. Okay. Okay. Alright. So now I just need to add all these up. Dear Jesus. Okay, so minus, that's a positive $30, positive 100, positive 100, 1494, plus 594, plus 189. Okay, that's another 30. Okay, minus 3, minus 2. So that's 22 bucks. No, wait. That's 22, that's 30, that's 50 bucks. 50 bucks plus 30 plus, yeah, it's 3,000. Okay. It's 80, 2015 plus. So 93. 93. So 62, that's 62. 62, 62, 62, 62, 75, 75 plus 80. So 255. So the maximum I ever went was $4,000. And like I'll sit on that, and I made $255. So I'm gonna make that quick video, and yeah, so that's just I'm gonna do that. Okay. What is going on, guys? So a lot of people have basically been complaining. It's like, yo, like I only have a small account, like I can't make that much money. I'm making like $20 a day. So I did a challenge yesterday. I took $4,000. That's the max I invested, and I ended up making $255 just purely scalping and trading that same stock over and over and over again throughout the course or throughout the day. So here it was a stock TRCH. I'm trying to so you guys can see I bought it for $19.68 and I sold it for $19.96. Now you're like, okay, cool. That's like 30 bucks. Yeah, but it continues. So I bought it for $19.90, then I bought more for $14.94, $5.94, then I sold all that for $4,000 plus that extra 100 right here. Then I bought again some shares for $3,015 total. Then I come over here and buy again and more shares for $972, and then those two combined I sell again for $4,000 profit. Then here again, I buy it $19.83 worth, $9.83, $9.72. Then I sell again for $4,000. So I never went above the $4,000 mark, but when you add those all up, I am at $255 profit on the day. And now I'm just going to calculate that out for you guys. And yes, I do use a calculator through my computer because you don't need to do this in your head like school always said you need to. So we're going to do 255 divided by 4,000 equals. So that is a 6% return. Now, if you cannot live off that, then again, you have a good starting base, $4,000. But it's 6% return in one day. That's pretty freaking extraordinary. So, honest to God, just keep working, keep being consistent, and learn the patterns, and you will be golden, and it will start. And it will start growing. So either way, you guys will be fine. Stop stressing. Keep learning. Keep adjusting to the market conditions. And overall, just kind of sometimes relax, right? Don't force a trade. Let the trades come to you. Buy the dips, sell the highs, right? I know that's pretty self-explanatory, but trust me, when you're actually doing it, it's a lot harder because of FOMO, because of emotion, so keep that out. And yeah, again, this was just $4,000 maximum. And I think that's a good starting base. I always say when people ask me how much do you need to get started, I usually say around 5,000 to 10,000. That's a good starting place if you want to make a living off that. If you don't, you just need a side hustle. You can start with 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. I started with 2,000 about 5 years ago. Now I trade with 200,000. So again, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys. Hopefully this motivates you. Hopefully this encourages you. And again, keep striving for success. Keep doing you, and keep trading. Okay, so finish up that video, and so that basically sums this up for the day. Don't need this anymore, and you get rid of this, trash that, and trash this, and then yeah, so now I'm just gonna go on the Discord, upload that, talk to that. I'm gonna try to find a super good alert for the free group, as well as one for the premium, even though they have their sub watch list. The premiums get their sub watch list. The free group does not, obviously, because the premium pays for that monthly $10 fee. So again, that is basically that. And yeah, this is what an average day of trading kind of looks like for me. Today's a little bit rushed, but again, I really like combining my videos with my trading, because that way I can sit down, and while the market goes, I can very easily just check it really quick and just be like, okay, great. How am I doing today, right? Currently, I am up $1,300 on the day, if you guys want to see. So, here you go. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. So I do use margin as well. So that's why my $100,000 account. Usually I'm trading between 150 to 200,000. But I'm probably gonna up it a little bit more, and then just start rebalancing it at around the 150 range. And then using margin on that, so I'll trade between 250 to 300,000, because I'm really liking it. But I want to up my days from 1K to 2K days, to around. Now I'm currently up $1,500. Amazing. To around. I really want to get to that really 5K a day goal, due to the fact that 5K times those 5 days is 25,000 times 4. I'd be looking at 100,000. Now I am also waiting. Oh, now I'm at 1,800 for the day. Awesome. But I'm also waiting on Friday, because that's going to be a big payday for me. My covered calls go in. Even if they expire or not, it doesn't matter. I'm making $18,000. So that basically means this week I'm already currently up $12,000, and with that 18,000, I'll basically be at 30,000 for this week. So again, I'm extremely blessed. I love doing this. So yeah, and hopefully if I can ever teach you guys anything, please feel free to ever message me on Instagram. I do respond. For people thinking that I don't respond, I do. I read everything. If you send me weird shit, I won't respond. If you have a question about trading, trust me, I love talking about this. My girlfriend gives me fucking crap all the time. But she's interested in stocks now, so I'm like, alright, come to me. But yeah, and so I'm gonna make a video with her on, I'll see her Friday. She's staying with me for the weekend. So I'll probably make a video Friday or Saturday, with her explaining stocks and see how that goes. It'll all be in German, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's a typical day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, grab that free shit that I give you guys in the description below. And yeah, besides that, thank you guys so much for basically watching and just being here. And it's a dream come true. It honestly is. But thank you guys so much. And yeah, hope to see you again tomorrow with a new video. Peace out, guys.